There's a long-held cymatic law asserting that low frequency equals simple pattern and high frequency equals complex pattern. You're about to see that law broken. In this short video, you'll observe as the prime frequency of the Marian matrix, derived from the mathematics, slightly less than 8 Hz, a frequency that sits on top of the theta brainwave of meditators, is injected into a small visualizing cell in the cymoscope that holds only a few drops of medical-grade water. Observe your feelings and sense of thought as the amplitudes increase to the capacity of the cell and the vibratory pattern evolves from rings to geometry. Pay attention as it reaches the maximum, and rather than devolving into chaos as anticipated, it blossoms into Marian's full patterning and begins to dance.